I'm very pleased that we've been able to get all these nice speakers here today to talk about FAIR principles in the life science research practice. And this day is we have a morning session and an afternoon session. The afternoon session is with limited number hands-on exercises. But so now for 3 hours, we'll hear first off a keynote from Eric Schultes on the FAIR principles to set the tone and the day, and then some examples from real research projects, talking about how they are trying to aim at fairness. And then we'll end before lunch with Rob Hoft giving us some more in-depth advice on how to be fair. Some housekeeping. We do encourage discussion. I think we'll leave it up to the end of the talks for questions. Please keep your microphones muted during the talks. And if you want to raise a question, do use the raise hand function in Zoom. Of course, you can also write questions in the chat, and we'll try to catch up on those.